To make a prairie it takes a clover and one bee, one clover, and a bee, and reverie. It was one of those perfect English autumnal days which occur more frequently in memory than in life. One must ask children and birds how cherries and strawberries taste. Wilderness is not a luxury but a necessity of the human spirit. Earth is a flower and it's pollinating. This sunlight linked me through the ages to that past consciousness. He who does not become familiar with nature through love will never know her. The cool wind blew in my face and all at once I felt as if I had shed dullness from myself. God has cared for these trees, saved them from drought, disease, avalanches, and 1,000 tempests and floods. Blue, green, gray, white, or black, smooth, ruffled, or mountainous, that ocean is not silent.